Welcome. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to unblock multiple users on your Facebook page using the Facebook app on your PC, you've come to the right place. The process is simple, especially with Facebook's latest update. Let's walk through the steps together so you can reconnect with friends or manage your blocked list with ease. First, open the Facebook app on your computer. Once it's open, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will open up a menu with several options. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. From there, click on Settings. This will lead you to the main area where you can adjust your Facebook preferences. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for the blocking option and click on it. Here, Facebook gives you all the tools you need to manage your blocked users. To proceed, click on Edit next to the blocking section. Now, you want to click on See Your Blocked List. This page displays everyone you've blocked from interacting with your page. If you have a long list, there's a search bar that lets you quickly find the person you want to unblock. When you've found the user you wish to unblock, click on Unblock next to their name. Facebook will prompt you to confirm this action just to make sure it's what you want. Click Confirm to complete the unblocking process. If you need to unblock more users, simply repeat these steps for each person on your list. There's no limit to how many users you can unblock, so take your time and manage your list as needed. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can quickly unblock multiple users on your Facebook page using the latest update on the app for PC. Thanks for watching.